Yeah man, that's our cousin Shelly. So we are gonna make some pepper pot you know. So you know Shelly I fling off a 2 mango. Yo! Jano. So guys, so we there try to get some mango to make the pepper pot thing there. Just tune in and see what go on. You fling away the Shelly, cause if you fling the way they carry dead, you know.
Where's the car dead?
No, Shelly, you're not going good. Alright, give me a fling. One of the video. No, Shelly. Look, stone, you know? No man, think you're my different. Man.
Indy even got close. I feel sure you said that already. Yeah. Anika, know that one can't fling phone. You know, Shelly? The stepmother, mama hand straight like an arrow. Every time me and him go bush, mama lick down them the mango there without try all 3 times. What I mean is straight, you know? Bambish. I mean, I try to flick, long time I flick. When I say mama not give what use, you know, so what do you say, man? 3 in a country with about mango. I'm making coffee right there, right? And the mango, that's so nice, you know? Puppy! Yo, you like to go right to the end. Remember say Shelly a turbit, you know?
Yeah, fling the soil, big.
Remember say Shelly a turbit?
Shelly might have seen your hand.
Shelly, oh, close up.
Girl, that's too left at me. I'm leaving you alone. Eh? My little coat, I'm going to get what's up in the boy.
Shelly, me there so no fling you.
I almost had it right to them.
Me say if Shelly make one of them, they drop in on my head.
I don't know the hospital lane. You stop. I give up. You give up, Gadel. Yeah, next stop.
See me I make you fling all lick me. Alright, come mama. Alright, mama, get one of them, Gadel. Yeah? If I never feel peace, I think.
Finally! Hard work pay off! Hard work pay off! Mwah! One down, how many more to go?
And Gadel no get none.
Gadel! That's your girl, right? Boy! Don't give up!
All what? Mama get one more. A jerk, a jerk, you know.
Get it! Two, get it, two!
What you say, how much?
Two! Get it, how much I got? 0.
Alright, Shelly, ready? Hold up, Shelly, hold up. Yeah, Shelly.
Come on!
I'm just
You ripe?
One better. Let me catch you with the hand and good on with the one. Just take it. I'm looking on mine, I got a 7. Yeah, man, 7 of them again.
7 will play tonight. One mango. One mango in a cash pack.
32 was ripe and 16 if you grade.
Lord. 32, 16 and 7.
So.
Me say we are go outside and Shelly mango, they look pretty, you know. And by me if you come back today, no knowledge.
Wow, too much work. Alright, so we get the mangoes. We gonna make the pepper pot now. Yeah, man. That's what you tell me.
No, I don't want them when they look too mellow. Very pretty. Pretty, not true?
Name mango that job. That one they shine and pretty. Watch him.
I think to put them up first.
Like what?
Why can't I pick it?
Hey, actually, they are jerky too much. Yeah.
Yeah, man. Panic gong. Put the panic gong on the floor. Alright, let's go.
Mango, boss.